Yeah, exactly.
So my people, welcome once again to my channel and guess where I am today? Guess where I am today? I'm in Madare, Uruma. I've come to visit and check some group or a group called Life Mtaani Kids. I've come to see what they do, if it's dancing, modeling, everything. And I'm beside Nairobi River, this one. So this is Nairobi River and currently things don't look okay. The water itself it's dark in color. Nothing, not even cows can drink. And beside this, there's some dumps, the papers, everything. So this is how it looks. Green trees, houses. So back to the kids. So I'm taking you along so you can see the activities they do. Come with me.
Hey guys, my name is Angel Christabel. I'm a trainer here in Life Mtaani Media. I train kids art, that is acting, dancing, script writing, content creating, as long as you can do something out of art. In Life Mtaani Media, we train a lot of talents, as I have told you, and you can see model. About model, actually, the way kids are turning out to be models, and model has taught kids a lot of things. They have taught kids how to focus. They have taught kids how to face the challenges. For instance, you can see how they are facing the audience with a lot of courage because they trust in themselves and they believe in themselves. And that is the work we are doing here to teach them to gain courage for themselves, to have the self-esteem and to know what to do in life. So when they are modeling, like they're facing the complication, they got that courage, and now they know that this thing is not easy, is not hard. And like at the first they were like, no, they can't do it and everything. But you can see for now, they can do it and they can use even heels and everything. They started from the scratch, from down, I mean, and now they are somewhere and they are doing something great. And I'm happy for them because I know something that is going to help their life outside there, and they're going to help others too. The way we are doing to them, they're going to teach others how to model, because we really need this society to grow up in another wave, not the wave that now is turning to. There is no success without a challenge, and the challenge are the stronghold of success. And you see, like in Life Mtaani Media, we're facing a lot of challenges, and we believe that through those challenges we will come to to gain our success. For instance, we're having a challenge, or rather a shortcoming in material things. I mean, for instance, like model, we don't have shoes to model those perfect shoes. Sometimes we lack categories, like how to design such categories and everything. And sometimes time, because you come to look of it, we are not that okay, we are not many who train the kids here, and you find out that sometimes it is hard to contact this station and then another station and another station. So if there's somebody who is willing and is ready to train kids out of passion, then we request to come out and help us. And plus, we also request parents. We're facing a lot of challenge when it comes to you releasing your kids. Sometimes you don't believe on what your kids are doing, because come to look of it, sometimes when you're training this, you find out that she's being called or he's being called with the mother or the father. He's been given a lot of work to do. The mother is not timetabling her child with what we are doing. He's not considering the talent of the child. Those are sort of the challenges we are facing, especially when it comes to what we are doing here. And we request that we need support from the parent, a very great support, because the parents are the one who are making us to be here. If they can't release their kids, then we can't be here. So we want you to understand what your kids are doing and give them a great support so that they can do it to the fullest and they can enjoy what they're doing, because now they're doing it, but they're not doing it with the full force, because they know at the end of the day, I'm being called, I'm doing this in a halfway, and then boom, I'm going home. So we request, like, okay, the parents have to understand what we are doing, and we also need financial support. For instance, we're having problem, like we don't have a place, like we don't have a very good place, a conducive place. Like you see, we only train at this open ground. We need donors, we need people who can come in with good heart to help us to raise this thing, because you see, like, the kids are training on the sun. When it is raining, we're having a lot of challenges, and we also need people who can come out to support us on equipment like camera, laptop to write script and editing, tripod, lights, things that can help us to move with our art. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share. Our link is Life Mtaani Media and Life Mtaani Kids. And please also follow this account that you're viewing too. And please, we believe and we hope that this video is going to touch somebody who will come out and support us on things that you mentioned there. We really need a support. We really need somebody to support us, a donor, so that we can give these kids their future. We believe most of them, their future is in acting and doing art. And thank you. Yeah. And yeah. Mbona nifanya dino sinizo tu.
Bulb.
Script.
Ala.
Anything else? Subscribe. Thank you for
Hata anajua subscribe. Umesahau na nakumbuka.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment. And please
Mko na channel yenu. Sina lazima umention channel yenu. Alafu DM anasema ingine.
Adi?
And please continue providing foods. Life Mtaani Kids, Life Mtaani Media.
Hujasema hiyo.
Okay, acha nianze. Thank you. Okay.
Ngoja.